Hey everyone, welcome back to another open source tutorial. My name is Sonia, developer program engineer at Shardeum, and today in this video we are going to learn about how to address PR feedback. So whether the project is open sourced, closed source, every developer is going to encounter, and knowing how to handle feedback on your pull requests is very important. First, let's understand why PR feedback is crucial. So, whenever you submit a PR in any open source project or within your team's repository, it's going to be reviewed by your peers or the maintainers. This feedback it ensures that the code quality is consistent and it aligns with the project's standard. Addressing feedback effectively can significantly improve your code quality, your project quality, and also there is a better collaboration. Receiving feedback it can be difficult, especially if it's your first PR. Remember that it's essential to stay open-minded and not take it personally. The goal is to improve the code quality, not criticize you as a person. So whenever you submit a pull request, your teammates or the maintainers they are going to review your code and leave some comments. These comments can be about bugs, any suggestions or improvement, or it could be any questions, any follow-up questions about your implementation. So over the screen I have one pull request open. Let's understand with the help of an example, see what are some of the comments that have been left upon. So amazing work. I have added some suggestions to improve the instructions. If you have any questions or something is not clear, feel free to ask. So whenever you receive any feedback, always take your time to review through each comment carefully. Read, review each comment carefully what the maintainer is trying to ask. So let's see some of the comments. So here the suggested changes to convert the heading from H1 to H2. It's same here. So these are some of the suggested changes. It's same here from H2 to H3. And for example here there is one comment. Let's keep only one example 2 looks good, so maybe there were more than one example. So I have asked the person to remove one example and to just keep the example number 2. So this was sort of a suggestion. This is a very beginner friendly PR. But in case if you are implementing some large features or something you are not sure about, it's always a best practice to discuss it with maintainer beforehand. Just to be sure someone else is not working on it. Open a discussion on GitHub and explain what you are trying to implement. Also, whatever details you have, be explicit, mention it in detail. It will help in reducing friction between you and the maintainer. Communication is key here. Once you have addressed the feedback, leave a comment on your PR explaining the changes that you have made. If you didn't implement a suggestion, also provide a very respectful explanation. For example here, hi Sonia Singla, I have addressed the suggestions. If you have any other concerns, please feel free to let me know. So as you can see, the tone, it's very polite, it's very clear and open. Always thank the reviewer for their feedback and explain what changes you have made and why. If you disagree with any suggestion, discuss it constructively. These are some of the tips that will help you with addressing feedback. That's it for today's tutorial on how to address PR feedback. I hope you found this helpful and feel more confident in tackling feedback in your PRs. Remember that it's all about collaboration and improving the project together.